scholars, welcome back. Once again, I welcome the entire students of class UKG over here. I hope that you all are fine and you all are doing well, my dear kids. So, as usual, I have told you, I have said you that to do your homeworks properly and to study properly, obey your parents and drink lot of waters, okay? Water and eat lot of salads, because this is the weather that may affect you very badly. I hope, kids, that you all are obeying me and you all are studying properly. So my dear students, today we will be doing English, Maths, Hindi and EVS, okay? So the thing that we have learned in the previous class was opposite words, and that was something new for us, because as you all are growing up and the level of your study is also growing day by day, okay dear students? So what we are going to do today in English, again like in the previous class, I will give you a hint and then you have to guess it, that okay, that what we are going to study. And not only me, this is the very easiest thing and you will also join with me, okay? So let me start. पहले मैं start करती हूँ, when you will like, जब आपको पता चल जाएगा, when you will recognize, then you will start it with me, okay? So as I have drawn here the 4 lines, okay, in the board, and also I have written the subject that the book we are going to follow. So after means आप लोग ने देखे तो पता चले गया होगा that we are going to learn, we are going to do cursive letters. As plain letters you have already finished up. So we were doing cursive letters and today we will finish up till Z, okay? So here it's page number, first of all 66 to 84. It is the complete letter till Z, okay? And from 85 to 88, it's the revision work, alright? So, along with me, take out your classroom copies and your pencils and let's write. I will write the both letters, okay? Starting from A. Use 3 lines for A. As usual, I told you this before only. Then for B, again 3 lines we will use in this way. It's B. Then the next letter is C, okay? And here it's B, 4 lines, sorry, 3 lines. Then it's E, okay? Then it's F, alright? Oh dear students, I forgot that I was supposed to give you a hint, right? That what we are going to study. Oops, I forgot. Sorry for that. But as you already knew it, अब तो आपको पता चल ही गया है कि क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. The hint that I was supposed to give you, जो मैं hint देने वाली थी, वो song था, ठीक है? ABCD song था. So why don't we start with that? Okay? So stand up and let's start together. 1, 2, 3. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z X Y Z sugar in the bread. Then X Y Z sugar in the bed. Bread. If you don't know, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Okay. So this was the hint that I was supposed to give you. So now तो आपको पता चल ही गया है. Then also, okay. So we have finished up till F. Now we will write G. Okay. In this way we will write G, 4 lines. For small letters, second, third, and fourth. Okay. Then the next letter is H. In this way we will finish up H. 3 lines for I. Again 3 lines. Okay. Then J. For J we will use 4 lines. Okay. In this way. It's J. Then K. 3 lines again. Then L. In this way. Then M. It's very easy. Just like the simple plain letters. Then N. Okay. And the next letter is letter O, caps and small bow. Then P. In this way we will write P. Next is Q. 1 circle and from here half standing. Okay. Then small letter, 3 lines. Second, third and fourth. Okay, then next letter is R. Till here we have already learned. Till T we have learned. Okay, now the next letter is letter U. Okay, this is also very easy. In this way you will write, and same for this small letter also in this way. And for B, in this way you will write. Same for the small letter also. B, then W. Again W here, small letter. The next letter is letter X. It's very simple. एकदम simple तरीके से लिखना है. In this way also you can write, or else you can write in this way also. Okay. But I think this will be much better for cursive. The next is Y. In this way, 4 lines. Okay. This is Y. Small letter, second, third, and fourth. And Z. Again we are going to use here 4 lines. And for small, this second, third, and fourth. Okay. So if you turn the page to page number 66, you will get the letter U. Okay. So open it. Yes. This is the letter capital, small. Then next page is page number 68. U. This is division. Then again R, S, T. This is division. Letter capital letter B and small letter b, and next is again revision. Then in this way till page number 84 you will find out that the entire letters, that is till Z, it's completed. And the last one I will show you. Okay, last one from page 85. 85 से ऐसा कुछ है. First तो division है. 86 में again you just have to trace over there, and here you will write both capital and small both, and in the last page you will write the same thing, capital and small letter both. Okay, from A to Z. So here also I have taught you that in which way you have to write, and I think that you have already learned this. Okay, so this is your homework for which book? Cursive, capital, small letter. Thank you. Okay dear students, just now we have finished up with English. Now we will be doing maths, and the book we are going to follow today is Easy Learning Maths and Let's Count Maths. Okay, let's count 1 to 100. So this is the book Easy Learning Maths, and the page number we are going to do is page 70. So if you turn the page to page number 70, it's backward counting. Okay. So first this one is very simple. Okay, I'll show you on the board. Suppose ये हुआ sequence है ना. This is the sequence starting from 1 to 10, right? ऐसा है. तो अब backward counting क्या होता है? हम ठीक यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे. ओके, हम सीक्वेंस मतलब करेक्ट मेथड क्या है? 1 2 3 4 ऐसे लिखते हैं, राइट? 10 में फिनिश करते हैं. बट बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में हम विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. हम 10 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, लाइक 10, देन 9, देन 8, देन 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then last is 1. तो ये 1 आया लास्ट में और ये 10 गया सबसे फर्स्ट में. So this is the method of writing backward counting. Okay, we will not start from 1. Okay, suppose the question is given that, excuse me, suppose क्वेश्चन दिया है write the backward counting from 10 to 1. ऐसा क्वेश्चन दिया है. At that time you will write from 10. ठीक है, तो आप स्टार्ट करोगे 10 से, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in this way. Okay, so this is the correct format of writing backward. Suppose यहाँ पे तो क्वेश्चन था 10 से लेके 1 तक. You might get question from 20 to 1. If you get the question from 20, then you will start from 20 only. Okay, so this is the homework. And second question is like help the boy reach his house by writing numbers from 10 to 1. Now this boy have to reach his home. Now in the question it is written that write the backward counting. Backward शुरू करना है. Just we have done in the board ना just now. So you will start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, backward means मतलब ठीक आपको नीचे से स्टार्ट करना है. All right. So this is the homework for Easy Learning Maths. Now we will be doing let's count 1 to 100. First we will do page number 108. So if you turn the page to page number 108, that is the division from 1 to 30. In this page you have to write I can write numbers 1 to 30. So you will write 1 to 30 in this 3 column only, okay? Now from 110, it's the number starting from 31 to 40, okay? Till 119 you have to do now. So in 119, in that page it's 40. So ये numbers है ये page में, okay? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, okay? So this is the homework for your maths. Easy learning maths 70. Let's count 108 and from 110 to 19. Why not 109? Because there is a number same we will do little bit later, okay? Later. So that's all. Okay, my dear students, we have finished up with English and Maths. Now we will be doing EVS and GK, okay? The book we are going to follow today is General Awareness. We'll start from page number 53 and we'll end to page number 56, okay? But before that, let's do a recap for the previous classes. हम लोग ने जो भी previous classes में पढ़ा था, हम छोटा सा एक recap करेंगे. The things we have learned in the previous classes for EVS and GK was that about community helpers. The people who help us like doctor, teacher, farmer, postman, policeman, they all are called community helpers, okay? Because they are helping us in many ways, okay? So today we will see places around us. If you turn the page to page number 53, here you will see the places around us like hospital, post office, bank. ये सारे जितने भी places है एक particular काम के लिए है ना? Like for bank, if you are going to bank, if you are working, like हमें कोई पैसों का like money deposit या फिर ऐसा withdraw करने का काम है तो हम कहाँ पे जाएंगे? हम क्या hospital जाएंगे? No, we will go to the bank. Suppose if we are sick, we are suffering from fever and cough and cold, then at that time in which place we have to go? हमें कौन से place में जाना होगा? हमें क्या post office जाना होगा? No, we have to go to the hospital. And to post the letters, we need to go to the post office, right? So these are the places around us. So in page number 53, the question has been asked, take the places which are around your house. Now in this picture, there are many places like hospital, post office, fire station, police station, bank and bus stop. तो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है इन सब में से जो प्लेस आपके घर के सामने है, you have to take that one, okay? Suppose अगर आपके घर के सामने हॉस्पिटल है, you can take there. अगर नहीं है, no need to take. Second is post office. Post office तो most commonly like एक जगह में ही होता है, right? तो अगर आपके घर के सामने है तो टिक करो, या फिर नहीं है, then no need to tick mark. Next is fire station. ठीक है? Next is police station. अगर police station के सामने आसपास आपका घर है, then you can tick there. Next is bank and the last one is bus stop. Okay? So these are the places around us. So this was the question for page number 53. Now for page number 54, you have to match it. Okay? I have told you just before that we have in the previous classes we have studied about community helpers, means the people that who help us, and here you have to match these helper with the place they work, जहाँ पे वो लोग काम करते हैं. Suppose doctor works in a hospital and postman works in post office, like this. Okay? So first it is shown in the first picture, the lady is a doctor. So where is the hospital? The doctor works in a hospital. So the hospital is given in the last one. Okay? So match it. Second one is policeman. Definitely policeman will work in police station only. So match it with the first picture. Third one is postman. Postman will work in post office. So match it with the second picture. And fourth one is fireman. Okay? So the fireman will work in this place. Okay? So match over here. So this is also your homework. Page number 54. Okay? Sorry, this is page number 55. The food we eat lot and lot, like different types of food, right? हम एक जैसा खाना तो डेली नहीं खाते. We always eat like breakfast में कुछ और, then lunch में कुछ और, then dinner में कुछ और. Breakfast means the food we eat during morning. Lunch means the food we eat during afternoon, and this dinner means the food we eat during night. Okay, so in these three times, ये 3 times के meals जो होते हैं हम different types of खाते हैं, right? So here we eat different types of food throughout the day. It is given there are different types of food that we eat during the day. For example, we eat dry fruits. Dry fruits में क्या आते हैं? Cashew, nuts, right? Then पोहा, पराठा, then toast, egg, milk, juice. तो ये सब हल्का फुल्का breakfast भी खाते हैं ना हम. So this was the food for breakfast, and in lunch we eat rice, vegetables, salad, pulses, curd. Pulses मतलब होता है दाल, okay, and curd मतलब होता है दही. This was the food for lunch, and for dinner we eat at dinner also, during dinner time also, night also we eat like light food. हम थोड़ा हल्का फुल्का खाते हैं, like salad, chapati, soup, vegetables, and only pulses. Okay, so these were the different types of food according to the meals, 3-time meals. Okay, next is page number 56. It's draw the sun near the food which you eat for breakfast and the moon near the food which you eat for dinner. Here you have to draw you have to draw the sun if you eat this food during day or breakfast, or you have to draw a moon if you eat that food during dinner. Okay, at your dinner. So first one is poha. We eat poha normally in breakfast, so make sun. Next is rice, dinner. Then make a sun over here, sorry, moon. Next is dry fruits. Dry fruits हम morning में खाते हैं, then break यहाँ पे sun बनाओ. This is soup है ना? Okay, this is curd. तो curd हम dinner में भी खाते हैं. Make a moon. Sandwich, salad. Sandwich हम breakfast में खाते हैं. Make a sun here moon. In this way you have to complete page number 56. Okay, so students, this were the different types of like food. हम लोगों ने पढ़ा community helpers के बारे में, and community helpers कहाँ पर like काम करते हैं, in which places they work, and also we have learned that what type of मतलब हम कौन सा type का खाना खाते हैं, and which type of food should we eat during breakfast, dinner and lunch, right? So what you have to do is you have to revise all these things. आपको learn करना, spelling learn करना अगर hard पड़ता है, no need to go through that. Just आप एक बार revise करो, practice करो reading का, so that your reading vocabulary will little bit developed है ना. और आप लोगों का homework रहेगा page 54 and the last page that is 56, for which book is general awareness. Thank you. तो बच्चों, हम लोग ने इंग्लिश, मैथ्स और ईवीएस खत्म कर लिया है, तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे हिंदी. ठीक है, तो बुक हम कौन सा पढ़ रहे हैं अभी? भाषा सेतु. आज भाषा सेतु का सेम चैप्टर, सॉरी फॉर दिस चैप्टर 2 पेज नंबर 72 to 20 तक पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, 2 अक्षर सब कंप्लीट हो गया, 3 अक्षर सब कंप्लीट हो गया. आज हम पढ़ेंगे 4 अक्षर वाले शब्द. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 अक्षर है ना, तो ये आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आप भी मेरे साथ पढ़ोगे. ज ग र, अजगर. ठीक है, तो ये क्या बन गया? अगर हम प्लस साइन को हटा के जोड़ के लिखेंगे तो बन जाएगा ज ग र, अजगर. नेक्स्ट वाला है द र ख, अदरक. द र क, अदरक. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है क स र त, कसरत. क स र त, कसरत. नेक्स्ट है द म क ल, दमकल. द म क ल, दमकल. ठीक है, अजगर, अदरक, कसरत, दमकल. ठीक है, तो आप जब पेज नंबर 70 को देखोगे तो उसमें भी सेम वर्ड्स है, जैसे कि अजरक, अजगर, अदरक, कसरत, दमकल. फिर प त झ अड़, पतझड़. फिर प न घ ट, पतझड़. प ल ट न, पलटन. प म, शलगम, ह, ल, ध, र, हलदर। ठीक है, तो पेज नंबर 7 में सब कुछ अक्षर थे। अब पेज नंबर 18 में क्या है, 4 अक्षर से बने शब्द का योग है। ठीक है, पेज नंबर 18 और 19 में। ओके, तो ये कुछ इस तरह से है। अकबर, असलम, उपटन, कटहल, कसरत, खटमल, गर्दन, जगमग, झटपट, टमटम, तरकश, थर्मस, फिर दशरथ, धनपत, 55, फिर यहाँ पे है पनघट, बचपन, बरगद, फिर बर्तन, फिर मखमल, मलमल, शबनम, शरबत, हलदर। ठीक है, ये सारे शब्द बने हुए हैं। ठीक है, तो पेज नंबर 19 में है ये अकबर टमटम पर चढ़, असलम अचकन पवन, शबनम कटहल चख, दशरथ थर्मस पकड़, मनहर नटखट मत बन, झटपट पनखट चल, फिर धनपन धनपत, उपटन मल, अमजद शरबत रख, फिर बरगद पर मत लटक, अजगर पर पग मत रख। ठीक है, तो इन सब वर्ड्स को है ना, ये आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे क्योंकि ये छोटे छोटे वाक्य मीन सेंटेंस बन रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो पेज नंबर 20 में है चित्र देखो और नाम पूरा करो। ठीक है, तो ये कुछ इस तरह से है दिस वन। ठीक है, तो इसको आप क्या करोगे, चित्र के अकॉर्डिंग, इस चित्र के अकॉर्डिंग जो यहाँ पे मिसिंग है ना उसको आप कंप्लीट करोगे। सपोज फॉर दिस ये कटहल है ना, तो क लिखा हुआ है ट ह ल कटहल। ठीक है, फिर तरकश त र क श तरकश, ब र ग द बरगद। इस तरह से आप ये कंप्लीट करोगे। ये हम प्रीवियस क्लासेस में भी करते आ रहे हैं ना सारे चैप्टर्स में। तो ये है चित्र पहचान कर नाम लिखो। इसमें आपको चित्र पहचानना है लाइक हलदर, अदरक और यहाँ पे लिखना है। ठीक है, और लास्ट वाले में यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स है लाइक जगमग, झटपट, अजगर, शरबत। इसको आप यहाँ पे कॉपी करोगे। ठीक है, एंड किड्स जितने भी हम यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं जैसे कि 2 अक्षर 3 अक्षर, ये आपको धीरे धीरे याद करने हैं। ठीक है, आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है क्योंकि कुछ दिन बाद फिर दूसरी क्लास में जाओगे तो क्या होगा, आपको सेंटेंस भी पढ़ने पड़ेंगे। ठीक है, तो सडनली आपको हार्ड पड़ सकता है, इसीलिए आप 2 अक्षर 3 अक्षर को अच्छे से घर पे रिवाइज भी करोगे। सो आपका होमवर्क रहेगा भाषा सेतु बुक से पेज नंबर 20 आप करोगे अपने भाषा सेतु बुक में। ठीक है, और बाद बाकी आप पढ़ने वाला आपका होमवर्क है, ये सारे वर्ड्स को आप अच्छे से घर पे पढ़ोगे और प्रैक्टिस करोगे। तो